She, for 21 years, I think it was 21, she had to get up every morning and witness her son go through horrific pain. Johnny Kennedy, right? I don't know if you ever saw it. He did a documentary about his last year, and it was called The Boy Whose Skin Fell Off. And he suffered from EB. And this EB is this horrific disease where in effect you're born without your outer layer of skin. So you have to every day you have to have your bandages changed. You develop blisters, your fingers fuse. Anyway, he did this. It was sort of heartbreaking but life affirming documentary. You saw him planning his funeral, you know, as the coffin was leaving the church. It was "Don't Stop Me Now" by Queen. Anyway, we interviewed his mother after he died, and she was an amazing woman because she, for 21 years, I think it was 21, she had to get up every morning and witness her son go through horrific pain as she changed his bandages. And it just made me think about, you know, life and worrying about the little stuff, sweating the little stuff. And she was just an amazing woman. You know, like last year we had Jane and Brenda McKenna. They lost their two daughters, Laura and Lynn, and that's the hospice up in Leopardstown there, Laura Lynn House. They're amazing people. Like out of grief, they channeled that sort of energy, if there is an energy, and they raised €6 million and they built that hospice, you know, which is amazing, and they're amazing people.